Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going back to B&M to check out what other products they have in their special buy and sale aisles. Now this video is mainly about storage, cleaning and bathroom organization, so I hope that you enjoy, even though that is a little bit shorter than my usual videos. If you do, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is for free, you don't need to pay anything to me or to YouTube, and you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video from B&M, The Range, Home Bargains, TK Maxx. These are the mainly stores that I go to. Sometimes on a good day, if I'm feeling brave to drive over half an hour, I'll go to Dunelm as well. So I hope that you enjoy, and now enough of me rambling and let's go straight into the video.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want.
Let me know if you are interested in any of these products that I've shown into this video, or have you already seen these products in the store? I am loving their new range, the Cozy Homestead or Simply Homestead. I just think it's so cottagecore and just perfect to bring neutrals and also a little bit of color into your home. Yes, I did say neutrals and color in one sentence, because some of their products, they are just so pretty. Like in my previous video, I showed storage containers for your kitchen, and they have little flower prints on the side, and I think it's just such a pretty nice touch to a storage container. Yeah, let me know if something interested you, or if you are like, no, I don't need anything, I already have anything, and you're just here to watching this video, which is also absolutely fine.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget.
I have also seen more products on sale, so I will be doing, yes, you guessed it right, another B&M sale video, because they just keep on giving us the discounts, the sale. And if you're someone like me, you love a good bargain. So, you know, you can stock up for products for Christmas, birthdays, new home, leaving gifts, and also just because okay, it's like I love to give presents to my friends throughout the year just because I love them and I appreciate their time and their effort that they do drive to see me, or we usually meet halfway. So just little something to show them that I love them, I appreciate them, and that I think about them. Not even though that I don't message for like 3 or 4 days in a row. Anyone else is like this? You just don't have the energy to reply. Anywho, let me know what do you think about the products. I am definitely motivated to clean my bathroom and put some more storage, not even more storage, like reorganize my bathroom. Let me know if you feel the same.
All your sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new, looking for a new. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I'll go and hide.
And we are at the end of today's video. As I said, it was a little bit shorter than my usual video, so thank you so much if you stayed this long, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye friends!
Looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere